Bitcoin, of course, as you mentioned, they're part of that speculative trade. Some say replacing gold as a hedge against higher rates or higher inflation as well. And we've seen the gold price suffer in response. But you like the gold miners. Explain why.
Yeah, we do, because I think that narrative, that's real. There are people who believe that, but there are also people who believe oppositely. And I don't think we're going to see the entire world converted to Bitcoin overnight. I do think that gold still has a place as the indestructible element and a store of value for some 5,000 years. And our real interest, Matt, is to actually buy some of these beaten down gold stocks that are pretty profitable at these prices and have fallen 40, 50% or more off of a fairly minor retreat in the gold price. So we think it's buying time now in a number of those names like Evolution, Northern Star and the like here in Australia, Kirkland Gold in Canada, but also listed in Australia, and in fact, a whole slew of precious metal stocks.
Kingsley, it's Hadley out in Abu Dhabi. I mean, when you think about this a bit more broadly, thinking about things that are cheap to buy and potentially worth it along the long haul, thinking about commodities, thinking about gold and silver, what are you seeing as far as copper? I mean, we talk so much about oil on this program, but in terms of the hard commodities.
Yeah, so like copper really is front and center now for this pro-growth cyclical trade in commodities. You've seen that with copper approaching all-time highs. And we really like stocks like Southern Copper that has a huge endowment in Peru and a strong producer. So we've been active in that stock. Another stock we like, although we're not actually personally active in it, is Freeport-McMoRan. That has a bit of oil exposure as well. But this cycle, Hadley, I think it's going to be huge for exploration in copper. And so we're starting to really have a close look at some of these explorers. These days, it's hard to find a high-grade copper mine. So you're usually looking for copper gold assets with porphyry-style deposits that are low-grade but large in volume and pretty profitable at the right price.